The CEO of Shiba Inu slashes Shib to 10 in a single night. CIB good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coins. The biggest percentage drop this year has coincided with an uptick in volatility in the Shiba Inu price. Traders can use technical indicators and classical price action approaches to forecast a bullish or bearish scenario with this study. The digital meme coin's price saw its worst red day of the year on Shiba Inu, falling 11% on the day. Token price action going forward will be determined by the price's approach to a previously established trend line. Traders should brace themselves for a steeper drop if the bulls fail to offer support at the present level. The CEO of Shiba Inu is planning to send CB to 110 overnight, and we'll discuss this in the video. Shib report if you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. At the moment, one Shiba Inu is worth 0.742134 every day. The bears try to form a candlestick close below the simple moving average of the past 21 days. If this works, it will be the first indication that the general upward trend that started in the final week of December has come to a stop. That being said, the rise could very well persist. The present price is returning to levels of support as shown by the Relative Strength Index RSI, which also shows a bullish divergence from the last consolidation zone near 0.0150. As a result, the current decline could be seen as a chance to buy in the long run. If the Relative Strength Index RSI drops below the 40 mark, it would mean that the entire uptrend is about to be liquidated. The August high at 0.100 is the next important target for bulls. If reached, this level would lead to a 46% increase over the current market value of Shib. Contrarily, bears who bought near the present swing high of 0.1075 will probably start adding to their positions if the RSI falls below 40. The outcome might be a stampede of sellers aiming for the $0.780 area, which was the starting point of Shib's winter rally. According to the pessimistic outlook, the current price of Shiba Inus could fall by 36%. A crypto venture capital firm has gone on a multi-million-dollar buying binge, acquiring billions of Shiba Inu tokens. According to new information from the blockchain search engine Etherscan, the Shib holdings of Jump Trading, a trading firm based in Chicago, have increased dramatically from $250 on February 4th to just over $130.7 billion. With the purchase of the dog-themed meme token, Jump Trading, renowned as one of the tiniest hedge firms, now possesses around 1.7 million worth of Shib. The most recent financial report indicates that the platform is responsible for managing assets totaling approximately 150 million. Jump Trading may have more assets than what is publicly known, including cash and real estate, according to the study. This means that the firm's portfolio could be considerably larger than what is revealed. Shiba Inu's price drop coincides with the hedge fund's buying binge. From its 7-day high of $1,015 to its current price of $1.13, the Dogecoin competitor has dropped around 4% in the last 24 hours. Sentiment, a crypto analytics tool, has revealed that whale activity involving Shiba Inu has been increasing in 2023, with the cryptocurrency rising to become the second biggest altcoin held among Ethereum whales. Reports that the world's 5,000 largest Ethereum holders currently possess a staggering 50,905,707,7016 Shib, which is equivalent to little more than 735 million. The pace at which the entire supply of Shiba Inu tokens is depleted is known as the burn rate. Token burn does this by sending some tokens to a public address that does not have the private key. As a result, fewer tokens will be available for purchase and use. The original plan for the distribution of Shib tokens was to have them function like a limited edition stock. In order to prevent the token's inflation, the project's creators burnt half of the token supply and stored the other half. Glassnode data shows that Shib's burn rate has dropped dramatically in the last several months. The rate dropped from above 8% in December 2021 to a mere 3% in January 2023. A number of variables, such as the massive sale of Shib tokens and the unlocking of additional tokens from the locked supply, have probably contributed to this decline in the burn rate. In the past day, the Shib burn rate has dropped from about 20 million tokens burned to just over 205,000, a 99.3% decrease. The information comes from Shib burn. The overall performance of the burn rate relative to the price of Shib is still dismal, even with this reduction. Traders can be losing interest in Shib for a number of reasons, since token values have recently fallen from their all-time highs due to a sell-off. This is one of the primary causes. Because of this, some traders may have decided to take their money and run. Rising levels of competitiveness in the DeFi market also have a role. An overwhelming amount of DeFi initiatives have emerged in the past few months, all featuring their own distinct token. The focus on Shiba and other initiatives can be diverted by this heightened competitiveness. Lastly, the long-term viability of Shiba's business strategy might worry some traders. A percentage of the locked supply of tokens will be used to support future development, according to the project's founders. But some are worried about the project's long-term viability and money generation capabilities. Shiba Inu tokens can be burned to reduce their supply and thereby raise their value. The level of burning required to achieve the 0.01 price, though, presents a formidable obstacle. To reach a price of 0.01, the token supply needs to be reduced to 5.8 trillion from the current 549.1 trillion. The market cap for Shiba Inu is 5.81 billion USD. According to Shib, a moderator on the Shiba Inu Discord, the potential yearly burnout of Shiba Swap and the forthcoming Shibarium Layer 2 solution might reach 88.8 trillion Shib tokens. The target price would be reached in around 6 years, according to this estimate. It may not be so easy as it appears to achieve this aim. Attempts to destroy 90% of SHIB tokens are impractical, according to Shiba Inu's lead developer Archangel. In order to get to 0.01, almost all of the tokens in circulation would have to be burned. Also, Ryoshi's vision, which isn't as valuable as SHIB tokens, is used to pay out incentives for burning Shiba Inu tokens. The incentives for burning tokens to reduce their supply are called into question by this. The SHIB token's future is unclear, even if its burn rate has recently decreased. Both the project's continued success and its eventual oblivion from the cryptocurrency scene are within the realm of possibility. The SHIB token's popularity might see a comeback if its creators are able to overcome the obstacles they're facing and keep inventing. Nonetheless, a lot of work and a well-defined plan for the project's future are necessary for this. In preparation for its release, whales have been accumulating bone. Because of this, the asset's value has been rising. With a 101% increase since the start of the year, Bun's value has more than quadrupled. Huobi has now introduced Blue Shiba Swap to its official page for digital assets. A possible listing was also supported by the same. On the main page, the options to trade and deposit were highlighted. Aside from that, there are sections that cover the project overview, token details, and relevant connections. The Bone page is accessible via the deposit option. Nevertheless, it appeared to be idle and had no content. So far, neither trading nor the exchange have formally acknowledged Bone's listing. For a long time now, the Shiba Inu army has been patiently waiting for Bones' listing. The exchange posted a photo of a Shiba Inu puppy, decked out in red in the middle of December last year to celebrate the holiday spirit. Speculation about a possible Bones listing quickly gained traction among those in the know. Since the most recent site has gone live, it appears that the exchange is definitely preparing for the same. We are finished for the day. If you enjoyed this and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.